Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Boy DS. Back again with another unboxing. I'm sorry. I know I said I wasn't going to do no more unboxing and stuff like that, but I just had to get it. So, this is an amp. It's a big box. But I'm going to show you the specs of the amp. So, here are the specs of the amp. It's the OSD A5500 Black Edition, 120 watts per channel, 8 ohms, 180 and 4 ohms. The sensitivity and everything. So let's get to the unboxing. So out of considering what amp I want to get, I went with this out of two other options, which were the another Bass Imitator A500 or the that big one. What's that one called? The 5000 Outlaw 5000. Outlaw, they're all around the same price, but the Outlaw is maybe $100 more, and they're basically the same thing. I think the Outlaw is AB amplifier, and this is the H. That should separate them. This also has unbalanced and balanced input, unlike the Outlaw. So let's get to the unboxing. This is just a thank you for ordering it. You're welcome. Take my money. Alright, looks like it comes double boxed. As usual. This is gonna be a tough one. Open the second box. First thing you see is the owner's manual. Nothing in it but the owner's manual. It would have been nice if it came with a 12-volt trigger, but it didn't. Power cord. Big, thick power cord, which is good. It's a 3-prong. I like 3-prongs. Alright, and the next thing is just the amp itself. This looks heavy. Oh, damn, that's a worker. Yeah, I can't unpackage this nicely. So I gotta go the brute force way because this thing is heavy. It's nice to keep the plastic, but it is too heavy to be delicate right now. Now, for these are gonna be powering my main speakers, but I have the A500 power on main speakers, and it's very loud. It's very clear, very detailed, very dynamic. I didn't need anything anymore. So this amp is just to try to improve at least, because the A500 is giving me 80 watts. This is giving me 120, so obviously we're gonna have more dynamics. So this is the front. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? This is the. Oh my god, I'm struggling. Oh shit. Alright, tell you what, I'm just gonna leave it on here and I'm gonna circle around because I ain't messing with it. Alright. This is the front. Obviously, let me see if I can. Oh, damn, that shit was up. This is the front of the unit. Focus. Black edition here. Alright, let's get to the back now. So you have your balanced and unbalanced. Some big, beefy terminals right here. Has a trigger. Is on, signal when it gets off signal, and it goes by trigger, focus, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna hook this heavy ass thing up, try to catch my breath, but this thing is heavy. So hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, because I really didn't. This damn thing is heavy as hell. Alright. Peace. Sorry again for keep buying stuff.